Hello? Hey man, you ready to talk about floods? No. Oh. I guess I'll hang up now. Yeah. Bye. Bye. There's really no way to prevent a flood.
Or for the odd case that you live like in a town that has a lot of barriers and stuff, and it could possibly prevent the flood from getting anywhere closer to you, allowing you to be able to get out of your city safer. It's probably the only way that you could prevent a flood.
Let's say if someone, an authority, will come to your house and they say, "You gotta get out right now." It is always smart to have a pack full of all the things that you would ever need to go on. Toothbrush, comb, deodorant, money, phone, a hat, a clock, a book. What am I thinking? A shirt, another shirt, even better shirt, pants, sweater. You basically got the idea by now. So those are the kinds of things you want to have so you could be ready to leave. So that is one way you could prepare. And I will show you how to evacuate.
When you evacuate, don't panic! If you don't panic, this is the right way to evacuate. If you panic, this is the wrong way to evacuate. Oh my god! Oh my god!
There are some physical things that happen when the disaster does occur. Such as the grounds of dirt become mud. Whole place is drenched in water. When a flood does occur, water comes. It's everywhere. It can destroy things. It can make debris. It can do many things that a lot of people think floods can't do. But if you are stuck in a flood, it could take you away with the current and never be seen again. Those are some physical things that happen when a flood does occur. What you do during the disaster, if you were evacuated by authorities, listen to them and do whatever they say. It is not wise to disobey an authority in a time like this. This is a time to be serious.
And I can see your face on the telephone.
A lot of people are going to be crying or panicking or running around. As I said before, don't panic, but a lot of people are going to be doing that anyways. One way to react in a situation like this is try to be as calm as possible. Because you know what? Nothing good happens to panic. When you're panicking, you forget your bag, forget your stuff, forget your kid. Mommy, where's Mommy? Mama, what happened to Auntie? You know, you gotta be calm, because if you're not, you're gonna forget something, hurt yourself. It's good to do what the authorities tell you to do.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder.
As Christians, we're supposed to... As Christians, we're supposed to pray for those who really need it in times like this. And help them by just showing them that we care, giving them our time, showing them that they're not alone, that God loves them, and that we're all people and that we all need to help each other, because we live in this world under God. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you later.
This is Sparta! This